getting hyped. We're getting ready to start off day number 2 of week number 7 here in Europe. Kasing looking for a Vander now. They're doing way too much damage as Jankos goes down onto Wande, targeted out, but he throws on the Zanya's Hourglass.
Nice. Go. Top.
Someone.
Top. We can end the game.
Go top.
And Rocket have taken down H2K. I think Rocket comes out for him. He's going to flash away from it. Immediately, heal is on. Remember, can't connect as Frederick goes right in front of him.
Right.
You win if you do it well.
Nice. Keep going. Nice, I got shield for you.
Giants Gaming, even the head-to-head, staying neck and neck in the playoffs.
That's going to be from Froggen coming up top. The box is down. Rat-a-tat-tat. Unicorns go splat on the inhibitor turret down bottom. And Tabs is looking to get through the gate. Kickers gets hooked. Snipe! Mystic shot. Snipes Tabs down. And the Unicorns take the game from Elements.
I like it. Can you tell me more? Or as Huni would say, I love it.
I love it.
I love it.
Fnatic are slowly closing in the gap. Huni stays alive. The tower's focusing amazing. One more shield. Huni losing a round.
Huni Houdini survives that somehow.
Palace down. I'm taking.
Rise. Go.
Nice.
Go.
And the most dominant team the LCS has ever seen sets a new record. Freeze is trying to spit out as much damage as he can, but it's Fox that gets another. Freeze gets caught and rooted. Freeze is caught out, and he is killed. Shook is the next victim as SK sink their fangs in. SK put a 2-game buffer between 10th place and themselves.